Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription and have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35, and I'm going to put the link for this box and the coupon code down there below in the description bar. Alright, so here is our theme, in the jungle, and we have an elephant pendant here. A while back they had a challenge that they put out in a box that had a silver elephant head in it. It was one of my favorite boxes. Anyways, I made several pieces of jewelry and I entered the competition and actually won it. And there were actually several winners, it wasn't just me. But I will put up a picture of the design I am talking about. Alright, so this looks really awesome. Let's dive into this. It looks like there's some really interesting beads here, okay? Here's everything we are getting in the box. Here are the codes, and if you want to reorder any of these things, you go to dollarbead.com and you put the model numbers in, and these items will pop up. Alright, so let's see what we got. There's always more surprises in here. Things I didn't see in the picture, always. Okay. Wow, it's really big. Oh my gosh, my mom's gonna love this. She's an elephant freak. I'm a turtle freak. She loves elephants. That is beautiful. It's very detailed. And I like that it's like filigree, but it's thick. It's not thin like filigree, but you can see through it. So I think that's really cool. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Those are beautiful and perfect for this. Those are awesome too. Wow. Beautiful colors. Nice mixture. I really like these together. They look great. These might be gemstone. Oh, my strand came apart. Good thing I didn't dump it yet. I love those. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to safely remove this. I think I'll dump it into the box. That's what I will do. There are three 10mm strands. The first one is 10mm soft gold glass pearl bead, 8-inch string. That's this. It's beautiful. That's really pretty. There's different shades of this gold right here. I've gotten it in different shades over the years. There's darker and lighter colors. After that is soft 10mm soft green glass pearl bead, 8-inch string. This is also very pretty. I have a thing for pale green. Like, I can't tell you how many sets of pale green sheets I have had over my life. I don't know why. I always go for pale green sheets, or like a taupe or beige colored sheets. It's kind of strange. Next is 10mm brown spot marble style glass bead, 6-inch string. This is gorgeous. I've gotten something similar to this in the past, but it had little blue spots, only a very light, only like here and there, not a lot. It was this, but with a little bit of like dabs of blue. It would be like on one side of the bead. This is so gorgeous. It kind of looks like an egg, doesn't it? This is probably my favorite strand here. This one, and then this pink and green one. Those are gorgeous. And this strand here really makes the other ones look all amazing together. Next is 8mm light brown crackle glass bead, 16-inch string. This, I've never seen the shade. I've seen the dark brown. Yeah, I've seen the dark brown several times, but I've never seen this shade. I actually think this one's prettier. It's very pretty. It kind of looks like amber. The imitation amber. That's gorgeous. Okay, and then after that, 6mm green glass crackle glass bead, 16-inch string. So that's 16, and this is 16. I don't think I've ever seen this shade in a crackle bead. It's like emerald green. If this was check glass, it would be emerald green. Looks just like it. Those are pretty too. And this one, what is this going to be called? 6mm khaki red swirl marble style glass bead, 10-inch string. I did wonder if I might have got this in like the 10 or 12mm in the past. I don't know if it was a whole strand though. It could have been like a couple beads in a bag like that. But look at that. It's very, very pretty. Okay, and then after that is 6mm black onyx gemstone bead, 10-inch string. What? This was a 6mm black onyx gemstone bead, 10-inch string. I don't think this is onyx because it has gigantic holes. It looks like glass to me. These are awesome though. I love these because the holes are enormous. This hole is probably 2mm. Like, it's really big. It's huge. These would be amazing for weaving with. I would actually like to have several of these. I would go back and buy more of them if I had the money right now. But do you guys remember the tutorial that I did using 6mm crackle beads from this box? These here, I got these in pink before. These two, they have these crackle beads. They have nice size holes to do weaving with Chinese nylon knotting cord. And I did a tutorial with the beads, and these here would be perfect for that project. I'll put a picture up now of what I'm talking about. Yeah, so imagine like this black matte bead with like a gold colored cord, or even like a coppery or like a rusty looking color like that. That would be so pretty in that bracelet. Okay, after that is approximate 1 ounce Savannah glass bead mix. That's going to be this. I'm going to move some things up. So there's this bead in here. I've gotten this before a couple times. It's amazing. It's like a diamond. Not exactly like a brilliance cut diamond, but like a stone that you would bezel, right? But there's a hole in it, so that makes it into a button. But this time, these have foil. That's what that's called. Foil on the back. So you can use these as buttons, but they would also be awesome, or my favorite thing would be to do with them, is to put them into rings. So I have, everybody's going to have a different amount because it's a mix. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is that one a different color? Holy cow. There's another one. That one's reversed. Look. Colors on outside and then it's clear on the bottom. Wow. There's another one. That's another one. That one might be the prettiest. Look at that color. So all of these are that. That's cool. They're awesome buttons. Oh, I didn't see that one. Pretty. Okay, and then we have this giant cube. I don't see these this big very often. Oh, wow. It's a volcano. I believe that's what that's called. Volcano. That color. In check glass beads they call it volcano. There's another big cube. This bead's actually capri blue. It has gold on it. See the blue inside? Then we have bicones. Those have big holes. You can use these with those because the holes are so big. See how big they are? And these two That's a neat color. That bead's blue inside. Those are nice. Oh, those match? No, they're different. This one's brown. That one's blue. That's strange. Cool. These are like giant lentils. They're not check lentils. They're just glass beads that look like a lentil. They're really thick though. But these here are awesome for putting on jump rings. That's what I like to do with them. And look at that. It looks like it's from a pulley or something. That's a neat bead. Alright, so I'm just going to put these to the side for now because we have more stuff to go through. And my scooper is filled. After that is 16mm black onyx gemstone bead. 3 beads. These, I'm interested in these. We've gotten some amazing giant beads like this in the past that were agate, and they were beautiful. They've had stripes and stuff. Oh wow, that's cool. Oh, don't lose it. So these ones here are solid black. But this one looks like there's smoke on it. Isn't that cool? The light gray and the black together. That's pretty. So big. 16mm. Okay, after that is 10x6mm gold metal spacer bead. 6 beads. This one, I've never seen this bead before, and it makes me think of a mummy. Maybe because we just went through Halloween. But it looks like mummy wraps. That's cool. Those are really pretty. They're very solid, by the way. Very heavy, thick beads. Very strong. I like those a lot. After that is 6mm gold metal bead cap, approximate 30 beads. That's a lot. These are awesome. See, because they look like a flower or leaves. See this? So bead caps like this look amazing on the check flower beads. Bellflowers and the flat check flowers are kind of hard to find. The flat ones, I see bellflowers everywhere. But these, you put them on the back of the flower, and it just makes it so much more interesting. Makes awesome earrings. Adds a lot of detail. There's a bunch of beads there. 30 is a nice amount. Right after that, 6mm gold metal bead cap, approximate 30. It says the same thing. But these aren't bead caps, these are spacer beads. These are kind of like daisy spacers, but they're bigger. Daisy spacers have the 6 little dots or beads going around. They are beautiful though. I like to use these with bicones because the hole is so big that if you use a 4mm, 6mm bicone, the cone goes into that there and it just stacks really nicely. Okay, the last thing is 60x50mm. Whoa, it's big. Elephant gold metal pendant. And all of these metal beads, it started with this mix. All of these here are new items, including this. Wow, this is beautiful. So is this going to be $1 at the dollar bead box? Because I could totally see this being like $5 at the craft store. And I think I would pay $5 for it. It is amazing. Look at the detail. It looks like something that Blue Moon Beads would sell to me. Because I remember back in the day I used to go buy Blue Moon Bead stuff all the time. And this is the kind of thing that they had. It's beautiful. It's really nicely made. Just look at the detail on his face, his ear, his tusk, everything. It's amazing. Alright, so there's one bag left, and that comes with every box that you get from the Curated Bead box. And that is the little kit right here. Comes with everything you need to make jewelry. There is memory wire, which is not just awesome for making bracelets, but I love it to make earrings with. Actually, I probably prefer earrings over bracelets with memory wire. Bead stringing wire, elastic cord. They have really good quality elastic cord. I've talked about it multiple times. Crimp beads, and you remember you have to flatten those. You can't fold them. Head pins, and they have really thick gauge head pins, so they are strong. They don't break. And we have earring findings, jump rings, which I also use as spacers, not just for connections, and lobster claw clasp. Alright, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. What an awesome box this is. The colors are so gorgeous. Beautiful beads. That's definitely my favorite strand. I also really love the black ones and that green one there. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. I'm going to link the Curated Bead box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put the coupon code down there so you can get 35% off your first box. Alright, so this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.